Oh yeah, I'm Andy from Creamer Whiskers. This is another Sunday Shave. Come and join me. Oh yeah, it's Andy here. How are you? A good Sunday? Yep, I'm doing a bit of a head shave, look at that. Look at it. Look. I'm at a face shave. What was you do today? What have you been up to? I've been back in 1 second, sis. I've got a coffee today. I've got a coffee, not a tea. I take a coffee on this Sunday. So I put myself up, so I'll probably fall down. No, I hope not. Right, what have you been up to? All that lockdown? All down the pub? No, not a pub person. All at restaurants? Yeah, you don't take her there now, haven't you? There, I know. Right, I'm gonna do the head today. I'm gonna be using that. On the head. It is Taylor's. And they're cream that they do. They're grapefruit. Don't normally use it. It's a white cream inside. And it comes with, it's a plastic container, and it is 150 grams, or 53 through the ounces. Comes with a plastic insert, yeah. Keeps it fresh, that just sits in the cap. We'll do the head, and we will do the razor and all the rest of it. Right, razor wise, if I can find the rest of it. Razor wise is going to be the Crusades. Yeah, I've got the head there. Because, thanks to one of my subscribers, Paul, who sent me some blades, I'm going to try them. But it's always trying these, actually. So, let's have a go. In the quiz pack. Yeah, you make blades small, isn't it? Or big, do I? Right. I'm not on a Tuesday. I'll do the head, but I'll do the head slightly different. And it doesn't hang over on this razor as well. I think down to fire that it's set on. This should prove it, there you go. Because I know for a fact that if I don't, I'll cut my head. Brush wise, use a big old S brush from America. Get the old bowl a bit wet. No, I'm just getting the bowl wet. Right, let's set this head on the old muncher. This ain't all right. I'll tap it. Oh. Why does it smell different when you use it to start with compared to when you actually put it on your head? It smells like grapefruit a bit of that. Big like Taylor's, as I say. Just a little bit of water in there, but this brush is this brush does really put the water in. Been soaking for about 15 minutes while I was sitting up. So yeah, what we're up to? Anything exciting? Me? No. Absolutely nothing. Hopefully I'm getting a job. So I've been out looking after my partner. I was at a carer for my partner for since 2007 when we moved down here. So I've been out. I've worked for, well, I haven't been at work, I've just been a carer with my partner. And I'll show you something now. Is it me or is it difficult to get a job now? Hopefully, I've got my mail, hopefully tell me in the next couple of weeks if I've got one. I hope so, because I could do with it now. I don't think the dogs will like it very much, but hey ho. It'll please my new partner as well, I think. Well, I hope it does. Oh, look at that. It's like that cream they put on my coffees. Look at it. Oh, yes. If you did go to the pub, what was your first drink? Which way? Or if you had a meal, what was your first meal? You have to sit outside now. I haven't been, but you have to sit outside, didn't you? We'll sit out today. It's a bit chilly. Well, it is here anyway. It is here. Right, it's like this on the old head. And we'll see what those blades are like on the head. We're using a sausage orca as usual. See what's going on. See if it cuts it with a gorka. That's what we'll do. I'll use the other one first. Right. Let's do this. Ooh, there, not close. Okay, I can actually feel that actually pulling the hair, actually pulling it out. I'm going to use do it right through this, and then what we'll do is we'll dock it. You should know by now, right? You should know by now. My head is with a dorker. So yeah, I think it was quite a bit. When I read somewhere it's like a band shaking hands and all that sort of stuff. I don't want you to shake hands and hug people. I don't know. I think it's a bit OTT. It is a bit OTT, isn't it? Right, let's put some more on. I have to mix some more. Do like grapefruit one as well. I would have thought, oh, I can't have grapefruit because I'm diabetic, you're not supposed to eat grapefruit. I thought, oh, can't eat grapefruit, oh. Can't put grapefruit on your head, no. What am I, simple? Oh, yeah, that kind of thing, can't you? I'm using the fork anymore actually, I've been using the other one, the one from Aldi's or Jiggles or whatever, isn't it? Be careful, I've got a cut on my head from the last shave I've done. Yes, thanks to Paul H Films for sending me some days. He sent me a couple of packs of stuff, so this is the second one all the side. I see this is lasers, isn't it? The electric one in my head. Maybe if I do is it skull-handed? Not skull-handed, yeah. The electric one, the ones that got about 4 or 5 blades on. Ball, is it bulldog or something? Just wonder if anybody's tried those. If they have, tell me in the comments what you think. Any good? Do they work? Do they take your head back to a nice cut, or is it easier with a razor? Well, you can place those up as well, man. I think it's more oil than you know what I mean, the oil. Put my behind, that's what I've been doing. Put my behind, what else did I put up? I just put behind out, the behind was a bit short. So yeah. Cut it and deal with it. Right, and put my fillers in. Do you like the smell of this one? It's alright. It's a cream. I don't want these soaps tonight, actually. I've never come across it yet. Well, I've come across it, I've never used this soap. Right. I'm sure this raises it in oil, can't you? You can tell when it raises it in arms, it blocks up more. Nice smell to it, really nice smell. I would find that some of them you find quite smell it, they smell quite chemical here, but I find this one right. Right, although, this is back here. I'm going to mix some more up for the one. Yeah, kind of nice, you know what I mean? Right. Just make this I haven't done myself in. Right. This is one more. Do it. So it's all a bit there. So I'm going to use the scissors. Just round it off. That's better. Right, that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. I'm going to wash this off, that bit off. I'm going to move on to the face. Oh yeah. Oh! So I thought I cut myself open. No, I thought I cut myself. Right, might be going out in half an hour, eh? Why is it coffee it's colder than tea? They've asked me that question. By the way, I'm going to use this on the old head. I just wonder why it got colder quicker. I mean, it's not milk because I have hot milk in mine. Yeah, I milk it. I use soya milk. Not what I'm allergic, it's better for you I think than full fat groggy old milk, you know what I mean? It's heat that up, coffee, some honey, syrup. Right, let's mix some more of this up. Take some more out of the puck. Do some more. While I'm doing some more, have a chat. Yeah, as I say, I'm going to do a fountain, not a fountain, like a waterfall. Not a waterfall. A water feature. Water feature. Been told to have some plants that I can put in it. I was, as I say, put a goldfish in it, but it's a bit unfair. One goldfish in a small bowl. No. So I'll just be that with some flowers in, or some lilies in. Look at that. Oh, do you like the smell? Do you like the smell of it? It's not unpleasant. I do think we need to try the Gillette, is it Clean Shaves or something, not Clean Shaves, the Gillette one that's out there. Oh. Oh. Still on the same number 5. Still hot feel this side of the face. I don't know why. I might feel sent to it. It's got no sense. It's got no sense. It doesn't last long, but it's almost very smooth on the face as well. Very slick. Very slick. Right. We'll go sideways. Nice place, you're not aggressive. What I mean by that is, I thought that number 5 might be in a different manager, might be very aggressive in a different manager, but the one that I thought, the place I got in there, for that manager, it's not aggressive at all. It's not one that, because I'm not pressing hard now, it seems to be something through my head. But on my head, I might be because your hair is a bit thicker in here. It's a bit thicker. I keep missing bits. Right. Third and final pass we'll go upwards. One of these days I'm going to do a complete overhaul, a complete facial. That'll be trimming the beard, doing other bits and pieces. My impression, I suppose, is what I am. Especially when my ears are almost missing a message. I'm liking that. Good sauce, Paul. I like them. They're not aggressive, they're not pulling it, they're not cutting anything. Not cutting my face or anything, they're not making marks on it. And I mean the cream helps, but I like them. I quite like them, please. I have two, so. Right, I'm gonna wash this off. I'll be back in a sec. Oh. Right. With these feathers and their tone on my face. I don't normally take my face out, but I thought I will. But yeah, I thought I'd do it one of these days, work it out a bit. Well, I remember. Do a full head, face, beard, ears, nose, goatee, all that, or vampire, whatever you want to call it nowadays. Do one of those, two weapons. The old ways of it. Get that done. A couple of minutes of joy. And so that. Oh, I'm going to suffer in the morning. I'm going to suffer. Right. Blah, 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 blah. Moisturiser before I put the aftershave on is that one. It's Lidl's, their own brand. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It does it like that. It does. But this is not, I'll show you. You do not, this is not. Oh, I've got not a perfume smell to it, a scent, a perfume scent or a scent. It's not horrible, it's not a clean smell. Man, it is lovely. Right, we've got a couple of minutes inside. I'll move on. Oh, that is nice. Right. By my beard. Lovely stuff. As I say, if there's anything better out there, I should try, check it in the comments at the bottom. Be nice to me. Right. Comb it. Lovely and soft there. Yeah, if there's another one out there, give me a shout, I'd like to know. Right, aftershave boys. I think this mashes here. Mashes it lovely. Actually the Taser's one. Is that? I can never remember what this one is. It's 4711. Remember the shops? Do you remember those shops? I think that's still got them in America, isn't they? 7-Elevens. Well, they don't have them over there, you know. They don't have them by coast, I think. That's what the bottle looks like anyway. But yeah, no, we used to have them over here, we don't have them over there, have they? Oh! Oh, that's the time. I like that. That, my boys and girls, is lovely. Right, it's on food. What is this? Remember them? 7-Elevens. Open 7 to 11. This would do their own slush as well. Yeah. Is it slush puppy? I think they'd be the first to bring it over. I know they had their own, didn't they? And you were blowing there about burger and hot dogs and things like that. You just had microwave, put it in there, heat it up. We used to have Yeah, we used to have one near us, 7-Eleven. I was in London, but they closed it and made it into Bizams. Do you remember then? Oh my god, I'm saying about age now, aren't I? Bizams, it was like a freezer. See that stuff you use, it was like a freezer place. We go in, it's frozen foods and things like that. I don't know what's there now, I know. Oh, I know what's there now, St Lizzles, I went past, on Google Maps, I went past it. And everything changed, but I go past things. Oh my god, so I went to that pub, went to that place, went to that hotel, went to... Not good. Right, let's shut up talking. We have the potatoes of Bond Street. Wait for it to savoury cream. Lovely. Lovely nice little scent to that. Did that on my head as well. Head boys. We have the Pace 6 by Dorka. Nice rubber handle, nice grip on that actually. There's a nice grip on that. We have the Essos. There you go, I'll put it there so you can see it. Essos brush. I have to wash these at some point. I will have to wash them because they're smelling. The Bobby's Bell, brown one. You have a little bowl like that. Razor West. We have the Crusade, 2-piece. Nice little razor that comes off the top. And the base it's in. Black Boys. We have the Gillette Nectar or Nature or whatever you want to call the Gillettes. Oh yeah, they're not too aggressive. And there's something that are aggressive. And they've done that really well, I'm really pleased with that. Right, then we done the beard with Buy My Beard. Put that down a bit, not well. Yeah, Buy My Beard. Moisturiser, which I can't really fault actually. Yeah, it does look like another company, but I can't fault it, it's really good. Comes up really nice there, it's not overly perfumey, but it is a nice one. And then aftershave, okay, also, you know. I picked that up on one of the Facebook singing sites. It was about £3 something like that. Box was a bit tatty, but you're not using a box, are you? You're using the contents, it's not a copy. My size, I know it's not a copy. Right, what can I say? That's it for my other Sunday sales. End your comments, put them at the bottom. Do you want to subscribe or ring the bell? It does help the channel. We're up there somewhere. There, that's what it is. There. Give it a ring and the buzz, and that'll be nice. Because the more you get, the more I can fit this channel around to you guys. If you are new, I thank you. Please subscribe. This come out every Sunday. And if you are an old subscriber, I thank you very much for staying with me. And you're going through that same journey as I am. Excellent. Right, I will speak to you next Sunday at the same time, or roughly the same time. I've been Angels and Criminal Wishes. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. If you do, don't get caught. Alright? Speak to you later.